Hello everyone. Today's video lecture is on structure of glomerulus, and it is a continuation of our previous video lecture, structure of glomerulus. So here is the handmade diagram of glomerular capillary wall cross section, and you can see the inside of the capillary. This one is the capillary lumen, and this one is the blood. Yes, this one is the endothelial cell, 70 to 100 nanometer in size. Then the GBM, which consists of lamina rara interna, lamina densa, lamina rara externa, not interna. Okay, so be careful. Then next one is the slit diaphragm, which is a 20 to 30 nanometer in size, which is formed by the Put process of the podocyte, and podocyte is also called as the visceral epithelial cell. And the last one is the parietal epithelial cell, which together make the Bowman's capsule. So blood, this one is the blood, this one is urine. Okay, so this blood will go through the endothelial cell, cross the lamina rara interna, densa and externa, and also the slit diaphragm, and become the urine. So direction is like this. Okay, like this. So here is the full anatomy of the cross section of the glomerular capillary wall. So this one is the GBM, and GBM consists of 5 components: type 4 collagen, then laminin, polyanionic proteoglycan, fibronectin and entectin. Okay, so if examiner asks you that what are the layers of the GBM, so you will tell these 3 layers, which is based on the electron microscopy. You can only see on the electron microscopy, lamina rara interna, then lamina densa and lamina rara externa. And here if he asks you that what components GBM consists of, so first one is the type 4 collagen, then laminin, polyanionic proteoglycan, fibronectin and entectin.